Create viral videos in minutes with AI and monetize them on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. Even if you are new to video creation, it is not a problem. All you need is having a spark of creativity and knowing which tools to use. For example, take this creator, who is attracting millions of views with viral shorts. A closer look reveals these videos are created using AI. I'll walk you through the process step by step to create your own viral videos. Stick around until the end for a game-changing tip to help your channel's growth. Let's dive in. First, we need to decide which field to create content for, and for this we'll conduct research. This is the most critical step. I use vidIQ for this, which is very effective, but you can use other methods as well. For example, lately I've been seeing a lot of motivational videos. I search for motivation and check the results. Here, it gives me a green score of 64, which is good. vidIQ provides two key metrics: search volume and competition. As you can see, the competition is high, but the search volume is also very high, which results in a high score. So we can say motivation is a good field. There's a lot of search interest and visibility. Let's dig deeper. vidIQ also suggests related keywords. Let's rank them by score. You can see that some related keywords gets higher scores. Andrew Tate motivation alone is searched 1 million times, and when you create content around it, it has the chance to result under million searches. There's competition, but the score is high, meaning there's still room for us in this space. I'd choose Andrew Tate motivation as the focus area. We can enter this space with a high-quality short video. Now that we've chosen our niche, we can move on to the video production phase. We'll use the Flicky app for video production. This app offers many features for video creation, as you can see. It handles various conversions: text to video, audio to video, text to speech, and more, all under one roof. A fantastic tool. I'll leave the link below. When you log in, you're greeted with this screen, showing multiple options for the type of content you want to create. For this video, we'll use the idea option. I select it, and it first asks for my idea in detail. Since I focused on this in the previous step, I can write something simple here, like motivational video in the style of Andrew Tate. Then I choose the duration. Since these videos are typically 1 minute, I set it to that. You can add extra documents or files here if needed, but for this video, I'll leave it empty. In the next step, I choose the format. Below, it offers various templates, some really nice pre-made ones. You can pick one or let the app decide. I'll choose one myself. Now we set the video style. I want it in English with an American accent and a slightly aggressive tone. It should feel motivational but also engaging, speaking directly to the audience. I select the most dynamic option for the vibe. The app then generates a writing style based on my prompt, which is spot on, proactive and assertive. You can change this or add your own example sentences if you prefer. I like what it generated, so I'll keep it and move to the next step. Here, it creates the script. It's energetic, conversational, and motivational, perfectly on point. It builds excitement, pushes for action, and ends with a strong call to action. The flow is great. Looking at the details, it's inspiring and well-structured. Since we're creating motivational content, it feels like it's speaking to us, encouraging progress over a year. You can tweak it or edit specific parts, but I love the original version and will produce it as is. I click Next. Finally, it asks which media to use: stock media or AI-generated options. For this tutorial, I'll stick with stock media. For the voice, I'll check the library and find a deep voice, which will be good for a motivational video. After selecting the voice, I am starting the production process. Let's see the video without making any edits.
Hustler's Handbook: Dominate or be dominated. Let me tell you something most people won't. Your comfort zone? It's a gilded cage. A prison built by your own fear. You think you're safe? You're just stagnant. Rotting from the inside out while the world passes you by. Success isn't handed out. It's earned. Every single damn day. While you're sleeping in, someone else is out there grinding. Building their empire. Taking what's rightfully yours if you don't step up. Nobody cares about your feelings. They care about results. So stop whining and start winning. Show them what you're made of. Dominate your field, and they'll have no choice but to respect you. The path to the top is paved with sacrifice. With blood, sweat, and tears. But when you finally reach it, standing above the masses, you'll understand. The loneliness is a small price to pay for absolute power. Stop watching these videos and start building your empire. The world doesn't wait for anyone. Go out there and take what's yours. Or someone else will. The choice is yours.
I think it's already quite good without making any edits. A few stocks videos could be tweaked. maybe the captions could use some adjustments, and adding music and sounds can increase the engagement of the video, but it's mostly ready to publish. You can find the link and promo code for the tool in the description. As promised, here's a simple tip to grow your channel. Do this after every video you post, whether it's short or long on YouTube or any other platform. Go to YouTube Studio, navigate to your published content, like this video, and click on the Analytics section. Then go to the Engagement tab. Scroll down and you'll see a graph showing your video's performance. For example, it starts with 100% of viewers, but by, say, 30 seconds, only 50% remain. The gray area shows the average, and the pink line shows this video's performance. This video performed averagely, staying within the gray area. For instance, I analyzed this video and noticed a drop-off early on. There was also a comment saying the host appeared too much. Looking closely, the host was indeed prominent from the start. So I experimented by creating a new video with less host visibility at the beginning. Let's see the results. In the new video on the same topic, I barely showed the host initially. Compared to the previous video where 50% of viewers remained at 30 seconds, this version retained 59%, a 10% improvement. In this new video, I started with scenes like this, using a logo, keeping the screen full without showing the host. I only briefly showed the host later, almost like a quick greeting before diving into the video. My point is, use this graph. It's critical. Check it after every video, try something new in your next one, and aim to improve. As you can see, this video outperformed my previous ones, staying above the average. That's the approach. That's it! You've mastered turning your ideas into viral videos with AI and improving them using YouTube Studio's engagement graph and analytics. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a comment. It helps reach more creators like you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.